All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we're gonna do today is, I got the tank clear coated. Now I'm gonna hit it with some 2000 grit wet sandpaper and then see how it is, and then probably hit it with some 3000 grit sandpaper to get this tank nice and shiny, and then I'll probably hit it with maybe a ceramic wax after that, then put it back on the bike and see how it looks. All right, guys, so I just went over it with the 2000 grit, trying to take out any rough spots. I got pretty smooth. I still see a little bit of orange peel looking, texture in the clear coat because there's no paint on it. So if you've been following along, all this is rust. Okay, I just let the tank rust and kind of put a little pattern on it, try for a pattern, and see what we came up with. So now I'm going to hit it with 3000 grit and see what it looks like from there.